Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy JTH, back again with another video. I know I haven't been here in a while. So much been going on, but anyway, I want to talk about my 9 months experience with my Galaxy Z Fold 3. I have to say that when this was in January, I had a lot of issues with it at first. Just pretty much two issues. Where the left side screen wasn't working at all. Sending it into Samsung was able to fix the problem. I'm not sure if it's the same phone or they just sent me a brand new phone or a refurbished phone or whatever. But I did receive the phone back and then it started working. Literally a month later, 5G chip stopped working on the phone. My SIM card was on there. One day I was driving home and all it kept doing is switching over for Edge into 3G or network or something like that, and it completely stopped working. After a while, the phone would get super hot in the back. I'm talking about very hot, to the point where I had to turn the phone off, and that's what I had to do. So sending it to Samsung again. T-Mobile was saying it was an issue that Samsung sent out would cause the 5G to stop working on the network. But I remember when I posted a video about it before, some people were saying they had AT&T and Verizon, and that issue was happening to them too, which is strange, but most people was thinking that it was T-Mobile. But they did finally get that resolved. After 4 weeks, I finally got my phone back from Samsung, and they was able to send me my phone back. This time they didn't give me a case. The first time they sent it, they did give me a case, but I did purchase a different case from there, and with an S Pen. Now, I have to say, after they fixed that issue, which was 2 months after, I think it was like in March, I'm guessing, when I finally got it back, I have to say this is probably one of the best phones that I ever had. I know I made previous video about it that I couldn't stand it. Samsung did a horrible job, which, you know, I was just speaking my mind because at that time I just got the phone and it was doing all this crazy stuff, and that's not the kind of experience, you know, that I want anyone to go through. But like I said, they was able to fix it. Both T-Mobile and Samsung fixed the issue, and then boom. Now, 9 months later, still the phone that I use. There's time I still use my Note 10 sometimes to take pictures. But there's two things I know I'm not too happy with the phone, but I love it now. It's still the best phone that I've ever had. Let's talk about what I don't kind of like about it. Picture quality. Picture quality is not all that great. I'm sure a lot of YouTubers talked about it, but for me experiencing that, I realized that it's not that great for real. Front face camera, trash. It's not all that. Video quality is pretty good. I still say the Note 10 take better pictures. You know, a lot of people had disagreed with me before, but it's my opinion. I'm just letting you guys know it does take, the Note 10 to me take better pictures in some way. Hopefully the Fold 4, so they say, is supposed to be better than the S22. Speaking of S22, that's the phone that I really want to get. You know, I'm still waiting on to get that phone. If not, then I'll just wait for the 23, because I'm not really in a rush, to be honest, since I'm still, you know, pretty much still got this phone. Haven't been even a year yet. So like I said, this phone is amazing. It's still a good phone. It's a great phone. And I'm seeing it more, you know, in public, that I see a lot of people with this phone now. I went to Disney World and a few people did have this phone. I was shocked. That's pretty much the two things I did mention that I didn't like, was just picture quality and the front face camera. Other than that, this phone is perfect. Gaming on this phone is probably one of the best gaming I ever played on any phone. You know, once you switch that to that 120 hertz, the phone is a beast. Ain't nobody messing with it. The S Pen, I love the writing on it with S Pen. It's not like the Note 10. The Note 10 S Pen, it's pretty good, but I think this is way better. That they killed that the Note 10. The phone is not. It's kind of heavy. I like, which I like. Feel very durable. So that's something that I really like about this phone. There's so much I can say, to be honest with you guys, but this phone here, I'm not gonna lie, I really love it. I do get a lot of attention when I'm out in public with family, taking pictures with it. You know, it's not the best thing, but people really like it, and it's shocking to hear a lot of people still haven't seen this phone or even noticed this phone in the market yet. That's strange, but I guess. Oh yeah, music quality, like the sound quality, the speakers, perfect. It's real good. I have to give it an A+ on that. Samsung did a good job on that. This version I know I have is the 512 version. I had to get that because I do take a lot of pictures. Features that I know I do like. In the camera mode, so here, you guys can see my Captain America shield on the background. It moves. But camera mode, what I like about this, taking pictures, that side feature is what I love. So this feature here that I love, this part where you go up and down, you just scroll down and see what you with pictures that you took and the pictures that you did take while you're taking pictures. What else? When you take pictures, people like this right here. they can see themselves, which is good. And I can still scroll. It does that with video too. The video in the background still play on the side. Sometimes it plays, I don't know, whatever. But that's one thing. Gaming. This is one game I just recently get. It's called this Iron Man game. I've been killing this game, man, while I'm at work, nothing to do. Oh Lord. Okay, y'all get the point. This is one of my games, my favorite games on here that I'll be killing at work. Let me see what other games that I do have. Wait, there's another game. The stick arrow, man. Kind of loud. I just got this game too. This game is pretty nice. I missed it. My turn. Oh wow. Oh. What? Why is it doing this? It's crazy. There you go. Sorry about that. I don't know why I was doing that. Okay. I just went to hit it one time. Oh, hell no. What? Got him. Let's switch it up and go back to fire. That's it. All right, yeah, that's it. All right, there's more games that I do like, but that was just 2 games that I showed you guys that so far I've been playing. There's more games. I'm gonna be making a video of the games that I like playing in a separate video. What else? And pictures. I'll put the Note versus the Z Fold 3 pictures comparison between them two. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for supporting me out there. I'm still new to this YouTube thing. I don't want to give up. I want to continue. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. You guys have a great night. It's real late right now. Right now it's like what? It's 12:14 right now. So you guys have a good one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night.